Are you looking to download WeTransfer files directly onto your smartphone in 2024? Whether you are using iPhone or Android device, the process is simple and straightforward. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you out. So first option, you could just go ahead to the official website and then go ahead to the WeTransfer. And then basically you're gonna be able to start sending files right here, and you're gonna be able to add up to 2 gigabytes files on WeTransfer. You can share the link to other people to have access to that file. So I'm gonna just go ahead and click the plus button, and then I'm gonna just go ahead and choose files, right? And let's say for example I want to download, let's say for example, that file, right? So I'm gonna click open, and I'm gonna be able to upload it to my WeTransfer, and everybody will have access as long as I'm sharing the link, right? Another option, you could just go back to your screen and then go ahead to the WeTransfer app, right? You can download it from your App Store or Google Play by searching WeTransfer. Download it, and if you did, just make sure that you updated the app to the latest version. So I'm gonna just go ahead and get started, right? And basically, if you want to add more storage, you can select the yearly plan or the monthly plan. Okay, so I'm gonna just go ahead and click login right here, and I'm gonna just use the WeTransfer to log in right here, and basically I'm gonna just continue with my Google account. Let's say for example I want to choose this account, right? I'm gonna continue basically, and I'm gonna just wait for a few moments until I get access to my account. And basically the same process, you're gonna be able to see the plus button right here at the bottom left. Instead, I'm gonna just go ahead, and then I'm gonna be able to add up to 2 gigabyte file on my WeTransfer. Let's say for example I want to add this file, right? And now I'm gonna be able to add this file right now, and I could transfer it right here to the WeTransfer. And as you can see right here, I have already downloaded the file, right? And now I can copy the link and I can share the link, or I can just have access to it. And right here, let's say for example saved or not saved, I can see in my account, and I'm gonna be able to see that I have uploaded a file, right? And basically right here in the sent section, I'm gonna be able to share it to other people if I wanted to, right? I'm gonna click the file, share the link, or download it for my own benefit. And basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.